Hey, what's up, YouTube? Pretty much bored. It's 5:30 in the morning, and I just got my GoPro 3 Black Edition earlier today. So I'm just gonna quick bike check to see how the quality looks, and just post up a bike check. So to start, I got the Colt Van grips, my favorite grips. Been running those for a while on my 3 previous bikes. Shadow Conspiracy aluminum bar ends. I got Colt leader bars, 9-inch rise. Colt Salvation stem. Colt Salvation stem. I got the Colt V2 sect forks. I got a G-Sport Marmoset hub in black. Big fan of G-Sport. Trust G-Sport a lot. I ran these hubs on my 2 previous bikes. I got Animal MK3 pegs. I run 4 pegs. I'm about to change. I just ordered some plastic ones. I'm about to start running plastic. I've been hearing a lot of good things about that, so I want to run some plastics. I ordered the Animal Butcher pegs, 4 of those. I got G-Sport ribcage in black, front and back. Yeah, running all black. Got the Odyssey K Light foldable tires. It's pretty cool. Got Odyssey JCPC pedals. Got profile cranks. 170s. I used to ride a 26 and a 24-inch. So I just took these off my 24-inch and put these on here. It's profile bottom bracket. It's a 2125 death row frame from Colt. I believe this is Dak's signature frame. My favorite rider, Dakota Roche. Got the Animal wedge post with the Fiend denim seat. This seat is real nice. The blue one looks good too. In the back, 2 pegs again. MK3s. I got the G-Sport ratchet with the I forgot what the hub guard is called, but it's the regular one that you would order with a ratchet. It's like a safe pattern. You can see it as like a combination turn or something like that. Ribcage rims again. With the Odyssey K Light tires. My hub guards are Knight hub guards, metal. I'm not a big fan of the BSD ones because they're plastic, and when I rolled them on my other 20-inch, they was chipping. Like this metal part, all this would chip all around, so it was like that much freaking part left, and it was like a waste of 30 bucks for 2 hub guards. So I like the Knight ones. I don't think they make them anymore. When I had sold my other ones, I had to email them and ask them, can they make a new batch, which they did. They put it up on Dance Comp, but then next thing you know, like 3 weeks later, Dance Comp ran out and they took it off. So I think they stopped making it again until they get enough requests. I got a little chain guard. It's a Colt 510 chain, I believe. Full link, profile sprocket, and yeah, that's pretty much my whole bike. Once again, just doing this video because I just got the HD Hero Black Edition, so I was pretty much bored. Just wanted to do a little video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I'm out.